Abridge. Abridge means to short, to summaries, to precise a piece of writing. Like, we have seen many more that there's always given summary of a whole book, whether in the beginning of the book or in the end of the book. Or, introduction of books is also given concept of the whole book. Anyway, abridge is to precise or to summaries writing. But the issue is how to hook the word abridge in our brain forever without just memorizing or cramming a word. For that, according to psychology, that our brain likes stories and something which is unusual, crazy, emotional, etc. So, we are going to convert the word abridge into small crazy story. Here we go. Well, take the word abridge and break down into pieces. I mean separate alphabet A from the rest of the word. Now, we have A also bridge. So our story begin. Imagine, there a wooden bridge over river, and the alphabet's A is walking on this wooden bridge to cross the river as well as to reach the other side of a land. On the next side of river there's a huge book placed on the ground and a large eraser also placed next to the book. Alphabet, A walking slowly over the bridge. Thereafter A takes eraser and remove the writing that has been written in the book. When the few lines of writing would left in the book, alphabet A stop erasing writing more. Only 2 or 3 lines of writing are left in the book. The story end here. Although, it was crazy story, but it will be reminded the word abridge. And bridge makes a bridge. A walk on bridge for erasing writing and just lefting the few lines of writing. Abridge. Abridge mean to short, to summarize, to precise a piece of writing. For example, writer is abridging her book for description, so that people whether read her whole book or to read just description of her book. Synonyms of abridge: to trim, to short, to concise, to precise, to summaries, to precise. Abridge. 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 Thank you.